Welcome to all of you. My name is Deepak Kumar. Today I am bringing a new topic which is SUMIFS. But the condition is that we need to find the total sales. But our main condition in this question is that you need to sum sales for product that start with a specific prefix. Specific prefix means I'm giving the example that in the laptop it is containing the pro. It is my first. So how we can be calculate the sum using the specific prefix letter. So we need to just pass the sum range. Sum if we write the sum if, and the first argument is the sum range, and the second one is the criteria range. Inside the criteria range we have selected the product and comma, and the criteria we just write the pro and asterisk at the end and inverted comma bracket close. Asterisk represent it is working as a wildcard that matches any number of the character, and hit enter. You will get the answer of the 2500. But if you look at this question, that pro is starting with the first letter, then it should be a 2500, and the answer is perfectly calculated. But if you look at the end of the product, that is X pro, pro is at pro is containing at the end of the letter, end of the word. So in this case we just need to give the prefix at the beginning, at the end, and hit enter. You will get the answer of the 2700 of these values. Let me give you an proof these values, and some of these values we will get the answer of the 4700 perfectly. That's much. Thank you for watching this video.